What would you do if you were stuck on the side of the road with a flat tire and no help inside? Would you know what to do next? Don't worry, because today we are diving into the best tire inflators that will help you fix that flat in minutes, no matter where you are. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a driver, you've probably been there, on the side of the road, staring at that dreaded flat tire. And let's face it, a lot of us panic. But what if you didn't have to worry about waiting hours for a tow truck? What if you could take matters into your own hands and fix that tire yourself, quickly and easily? That's where tire inflators come in. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top tire inflators for 2025 so you can hit the road with peace of mind, knowing you're ready for any emergency. Let's dive in. We've all been there. You're cruising down the highway, maybe on a road trip, or even just heading to work when suddenly, bam, you hear it. That unmistakable sound of a flat tire. Maybe it's your fault for not checking the pressure, or maybe it's just bad luck. Either way, you're stuck. Now, you have two choices. Either call for a tow and wait, or you can handle it yourself. But here's the catch. Most people don't know how to fix a flat tire without help. That's where the magic of tire inflators comes in. Product 1. Avid Power Cordless Tire Inflator. Let's kick things off with one of my favorites, the Avid Power Cordless Tire Inflator. Now, if you're someone who loves simplicity and speed, this one's for you. Cordless, battery-powered, max pressure, and 50 psi. This beauty is packed with features like a digital gauge, automatic shutoff, and a 12V DC power cord for those emergencies when you need to plug into your car. The rubberized grip makes it super easy to hold, and it inflates tires faster than you'd expect. But there's always a but, right? It doesn't come with an extra battery, so if you plan to use it often, you'll need to keep that in mind. Price around $69.80. Product 2. Astro AI 100 PSI Digital Air Compressor Pump. Next up, we've got the Astro AI 100 PS Digital Air Compressor Pump. This one's for those of you who are looking for something compact and budget-friendly. If you're always on the go, this might be your new best friend. 12V plug-in, max pressure, 100 PSI. The Astro AI is affordable, but it still brings the goods with a digital display, auto shutoff, and multiple nozzle adapters. It's perfect for cars, bikes, and even inflatable toys. It's compact, but it does have a lower max pressure than some of the more powerful models. So it's great for light tasks, but may take longer to inflate larger tires. Price around $31.98. Product 3. Milwaukee M18 284820 Cordless Tire Inflator. If you want something more powerful, Milwaukee is here to save the day with the M18 284820 Cordless Tire Inflator. Milwaukee is known for high-performance tools, and this one definitely lives up to the hype. Cordless, battery-powered, max pressure 150 psi. It's got all the bells and whistles like a digital gauge, memory settings, and an LED light, so you can even use it in the dark. This one is a little on the expensive side, but if you're someone who wants durability and speed, this could be worth the investment. Price around $179. Product 4. Hoto Air Pump Pro. If you're looking for smart tech in your tire inflator, the Hoto Air Pump Pro is a must-see. This one combines tech and practicality for a seamless experience. Cordless, battery-powered, max pressure 150 psi. This inflator uses smart technology that automatically detects tire pressure and adjusts accordingly. Plus, the LED lighting makes it easy to use in the dark, and it delivers multiple units per charge. It does have a slightly bulkier design, but if you want something fast, accurate, and futuristic, this one's hard to beat. Price around $79.99. Product 5. Tire Hero Wireless Tire Inflator. Last but certainly not least, we have the Tire Hero Wireless Tire Inflator. It's got everything you need, all in a compact design. Cordless, battery-powered. Max pressure, 150 psi. The Tire Hero is an all-in-one solution. It features a built-in power bank to charge your devices, an emergency flashlight, and of course it gets the job done when it comes to inflating tires. This one is perfect if you're looking for something that can handle multiple functions while still getting the job done quickly. The only downside is that it requires more frequent recharging, so make sure it's fully charged before you hit the road. Price around $57.99. Okay guys, so there you have it. The top tire inflators for quick and reliable repairs in 2025. Whether you're looking for something compact, affordable, or high-powered, there's an option for every driver. But before you rush out to buy one, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we've got more gear reviews coming your way. Plus, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest videos, whether it's about automotive hacks, repair tools, or road trip essentials. And don't forget to check out our other videos on tire maintenance and emergency preparedness. But wait, I've got a question for you. What's the worst flat tire experience you've had on the road? Drop your story in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories and help everyone else avoid those mishaps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, drive safely and always be prepared for the unexpected. Happy driving!